So here I am this morning trying to drive to work. All my windows are fogged up. Oh, see up through that one a little bit, but the front, there's no seeing anything. I got to the end of the driveway and that was it. So this evening, I'm gonna try Rain-X anti-fog. See what it's like tomorrow morning. So here I am. I'm gonna wash the windows with simple Windex, and then I'm gonna put the Rain-X anti-fog and see tomorrow morning if it actually really works. So it's a rainy old cold morning, and as you can see, everything's clear. It seems that the Rain-X anti-fog is working.